Okay, so update on the NAS project that I was doing. That's the board we were using, but unfortunately I've discovered that we can't really use the case that I had for it. It seems that in my mind's eye I'd got the kind of dimensions a little bit wrong, because this was stored away and I couldn't find it for a while. And it's not going to fit. The drives in there are just not going to fit. You see, I've got this cage thing. And if you imagine, like, this is the orientation of the board, pretty much where the drive cage is going to be, I'm not even in focus, it's going to pretty much intersect on where the RAM and the power supply plug are actually going to be. Now, maybe I could actually resolve this by using lower profile RAM and using a right angle connector on that. But when I really kind of look at this case internally, you'll see this on the main video, the way I'd have to mount it is really not secure enough. And if I'm going to put like 32 terabytes of, you know, good quality drives in there, I don't know if I really trust it. We still could make a NAS, but I might just do that later. But not only that, the intention is later down the line to have 8 drives in there, which this will absolutely not fit. It's a bit of a shame, so we have a solution to that, and that's this case. Curveball number 2, however, this board here does not fit in this, and I know that because a little while ago my dad's building a file server that's similar to this using the same case, tested the board, and it's about 5mm too wide or too long. So I've had to buy another one of them. This is all par for the course with my projects. If you've been around long enough, you'll probably know that this is how a lot of them end up, but we will get it done. Now the only frustration is I might need to buy some new fans as well, because I had 2 fans from another project that I was going to use in here, but I cannot find them. Jesus Christ. Anyway, the build of the file server is going to come soon, but we just had to jump over some hoops. I hate that. Anyway, laters.